In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify order in MT5. If you're managing active trades or fine-tuning entries, knowing how to adjust stop loss, take profit, or the price of a pending order in MetaTrader 5 will help you react quickly and keep your risk under control. I'll walk you through two straightforward methods on desktop. Modifying from the Trade tab and dragging directly on the chart. First, let's use the Trade tab. Open MetaTrader 5 and look to the bottom of the platform for the Trade tab. This is your command center for open positions and pending orders. Find the order you want to change, then right-click it and choose Modify or Delete. A modification window will open. Here, you can update your stop loss and take profit by entering the exact prices you want. For pending orders, you can also adjust the entry price. Take a moment to double-check you're on the correct symbol and that your price levels make sense for the current market. Some brokers require a minimum distance from the current price for stop loss and take profit, so if the Modify button is grayed out or you see an error, try setting the levels a little further away. When you're satisfied, click Modify to save. You should see the changes reflected instantly in the Trade tab and, if you have trade levels visible, on the chart. Now, let's make the same changes visually from the chart. Make sure Show Trade Levels is enabled so you can see your order and its stop loss and take profit lines. If you don't see them, check your chart settings in Options under the Charts section. On the chart, locate the horizontal line that represents your order or its protective levels. Click and drag the line to your desired price. As you drag, you'll often see the price update in real time. When you release the mouse, a confirmation or modification window will appear. Review the new levels, then confirm the change. This method is great for quick adjustments when you can see clear support, resistance, or a target zone on the chart. A quick but important note: certain details can't be modified. For example, you cannot change the lot size or volume of a pending order. If you need a different volume, delete the existing order and place a new one with the correct size. Also, keep in mind that market conditions and broker rules may limit how close your levels can be to current price, especially during fast moves or news events. That's it. Two reliable ways to modify orders in MT5 with confidence and precision.